For millennia, farming has been tethered to the rhythms of nature. The cycle of planting and harvesting has always been dictated by the seasons, the weather, and the natural environment. Sunrise and sunset dictated the workday, marking the beginning and end of laborious hours in the fields. Weather patterns held sway over harvests, with rain and sunshine determining the success or failure of crops. But what if we could understand these rhythms with greater clarity? What if technology could provide insights that were once the domain of intuition and experience? What if we could predict, adapt, and even optimize the delicate dance between nature and nourishment? Imagine having the ability to foresee weather changes, soil conditions, and crop needs with pinpoint accuracy. This is the promise of artificial intelligence in agriculture. AI is revolutionizing the way we approach farming, bringing precision and efficiency to every aspect of the process. The traditional image of farming, a solitary figure toiling under a vast sky, is being rewritten. Today's farmers are not alone, they are supported by a network of advanced technologies. Today, farmers are increasingly data-driven, using sensors, drones, and algorithms to make informed decisions. These tools provide real-time data on soil health, crop growth, and weather conditions. Imagine a world where every seed, every drop of water, every ray of sunlight is utilized with unprecedented efficiency. Precision farming ensures that resources are used optimally, reducing waste and increasing yields. This isn't science fiction, it's the emerging reality of AI-powered agriculture. Advanced machinery and intelligent systems are becoming commonplace on farms around the world. This transformation is not without its challenges. Farmers and scientists must work together to navigate the complexities of integrating new technologies into traditional practices. Questions of data privacy, ethical considerations, and the need for education and collaboration loom large. Ensuring that data is used responsibly and that farmers are equipped with the knowledge to use new tools is crucial. But the potential benefits are undeniable: increased productivity, reduced waste, and a more sustainable future for food production. Technology can help us grow more food with fewer resources, addressing global challenges like hunger and environmental degradation. The future of farming is being sown in the fertile ground of artificial intelligence, promising a new harvest of abundance for generations to come. As we embrace these innovations, we are cultivating a brighter, more sustainable future for agriculture. In the digital age, data is king, and nowhere is this truer than in modern agriculture. Just as a farmer analyzes the soil to determine the best crops to plant, AI algorithms thrive on data to optimize farming practices. But here, the soil is digital, a rich tapestry of information gathered from sensors, satellites, and even the crops themselves. This data deluge is transforming how we grow food. Imagine a sensor embedded in the soil, constantly monitoring moisture levels and nutrient content, or a drone soaring overhead, capturing high-resolution images that reveal the health of individual plants. This data, fed into powerful AI algorithms, provides farmers with real-time insights into the needs of their crops. The result? Decisions that were once based on intuition and experience are now informed by hard data. Farmers can optimize irrigation, precisely target fertilizer application, and identify potential problems before they impact yields. This data-driven approach not only increases efficiency, but also minimizes environmental impact, reducing water and fertilizer use. For generations, farming has operated on a broad scale, often relying on methods that treat entire fields uniformly. Plant a field, water it uniformly, and hope for the best. This approach, while effective in the past, often leads to inefficiencies and waste. But what if we could treat each plant as an individual, tailoring our care to its specific needs? Imagine the potential for increased yield and reduced resource use. This is the essence of precision agriculture, and AI is its driving force. By leveraging advanced technology, we can revolutionize the way we approach farming. Think of a surgeon operating with precision instruments, targeting only the area that needs attention. This meticulous approach ensures better outcomes and minimizes unnecessary interventions. Precision agriculture takes a similar approach, using AI to analyze data and guide interventions at a granular level. Drones, sensors, and smart devices work together to provide real-time insights. Instead of blanketing an entire field with fertilizer, for example, farmers can apply it only where it's needed, reducing waste and minimizing runoff. This targeted application not only conserves resources but also protects the environment. This level of precision is only possible with AI. Advanced algorithms process vast amounts of data to make informed decisions. Algorithms analyze data from various sources, soil sensors, weather forecasts, even satellite imagery, to create a detailed map of the field. This comprehensive analysis allows for a deeper understanding of the land. This map guides farmers in making decisions about irrigation, fertilization, and pest control, ensuring that resources are used efficiently and effectively. It's a game changer for modern agriculture. The result is a more sustainable and productive approach to farming, one that benefits both the environment and the bottom line. By embracing precision agriculture, we pave the way for a future where farming is smarter, more efficient, and more sustainable. Section 4. Predicting the harvest AI as Oracle and Guardian. Imagine being able to predict the yield of your crops months in advance or detecting a pest infestation before it decimates your fields. This may sound like science fiction, but AI is making it a reality today. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI algorithms can now forecast harvests with remarkable accuracy and provide early warnings of potential threats. Consider the impact of such predictive power on farming. Farmers can make informed decisions about planting schedules, labor allocation, and even market strategies. Early warning systems for pests and diseases allow for timely interventions, minimizing crop losses and reducing the need for chemical treatments significantly. AI's role as a guardian extends beyond prediction. By analyzing images captured by drones and sensors, AI algorithms can identify signs of stress in plants, nutrient deficiencies, disease, even the early stages of pest infestations. This early detection allows farmers to take targeted action, protecting their crops and ensuring a bountiful and successful harvest. Section 5. Rise of the machines, robots in the fields. The image of a farmer driving a tractor through endless rows of crops may soon be a relic of the past. Traditional farming methods, while still prevalent, are gradually being overshadowed by the rapid advancements in technology. As AI technology advances, robots are increasingly taking on the tasks once performed by human hands. These robots are not just simple machines, they are becoming integral parts of the agricultural process. These aren't the clunky, single-purpose machines of the past, but sophisticated, adaptable robots capable of performing a wide range of agricultural tasks. From planting to harvesting, these robots are designed to handle it all with remarkable efficiency. Imagine a fleet of robots autonomously navigating a field, planting seeds with pinpoint accuracy, weeding with precision, and even harvesting crops with delicate care. These robots can be programmed to perform specific tasks, ensuring that each plant receives the exact care it needs. These robots, guided by AI and equipped with advanced sensors, can work tirelessly, day or night, without the need for breaks or sleep. They can monitor soil conditions, detect pests, and even predict weather patterns to optimize farming practices. The implications of this robotic revolution are profound. It is not just about replacing human labor, it is about enhancing the entire agricultural ecosystem. For one, it addresses the growing labor shortage facing the agricultural industry, particularly in developed countries. With fewer people willing to work in the fields, robots can fill the gap, ensuring that food production remains steady. Robots can also work in hazardous conditions, such as extreme heat or during the application of pesticides, protecting human workers from harm. This not only improves safety, but also ensures that farming can continue in challenging environments. While the widespread adoption of agricultural robots is still in its early stages, the potential for increased efficiency, productivity, and safety is undeniable. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect these robots to become even more advanced, further revolutionizing the way we grow our food. Section 6. Beneath Our Feet AI and the Secrets of the Soil. Soil is the foundation of agriculture, a complex ecosystem teeming with life that directly impacts the health and productivity of our crops. Yet understanding and managing soil health has always been a challenge. Now AI is digging deep, uncovering the secrets of the soil and providing farmers with the tools to nurture this vital resource. AI-powered sensors can analyze soil composition, moisture levels, and nutrient content in real time, providing a detailed picture of what lies beneath the surface. This information allows farmers to tailor their practices to the specific needs of their soil, optimizing irrigation, fertilization, and crop rotation strategies. But AI's role in soil management goes beyond analysis. Machine learning algorithms can predict how different farming practices will impact soil health over time, helping farmers make decisions that promote long-term sustainability. By understanding and nurturing the soil, we ensure the health of our crops and the future of our food supply. Section 7. From Farm to Fork AI and the Fight Against Waste. Food waste is a global epidemic, with an estimated 1/3 of all food produced for human consumption lost or wasted. This waste occurs throughout the supply chain, from spoilage on the farm to discarded leftovers in our homes. AI is emerging as a powerful tool to combat this waste, optimizing every stage of the journey from farm to fork. AI-powered systems can analyze data from various sources, weather patterns, crop yields, even consumer demand, to optimize harvesting schedules and transportation routes. This ensures that produce is delivered to consumers as quickly and efficiently as possible, minimizing spoilage and waste. But AI's role doesn't end there. Smart refrigerators, equipped with cameras and sensors, can track expiration dates and even suggest recipes based on the ingredients on hand, helping consumers reduce household food waste. By tackling food waste at every stage, AI has the potential to improve food security, reduce environmental impact, and create a more sustainable food system.